26-inch bicycle whitewall tires, for your beach cruiser rims. Every order includes tire levers. Upgrade instead of just replace. Our premium replacement parts are an upgrade from the products that came on your complete bike. We've been producing bicycles and fitness products for more than 20 years, and these replacement kits are just what you need if you've been let down by the blowouts and flat tires that came on your bicycle. Beach cruiser wheels will enjoy this refreshing retro tread pattern and look that has been tried and true since the 1950s. Balloon wheels spec'd on whitewall beach cruiser tire bikes. High-quality tools included. We give you everything you need for a fresh, reliable aftermarket upgrade, including premium quality inner tubes, optional, and high-quality tire levers that won't snap when you look at them. Ours are made of reliable fiber-reinforced plastic. Like I said, we've been doing this for 20 years and going. Your satisfaction is our job. 20 years of customer service guaranteed. We've been building and innovating bicycle and fitness products for more than 20 years. While we might be new to Amazon, we built this brand on customer service that is second to none, and if you have any issues with our products, we are here to take care of you. Top reviews from the United States. Everything you need. You wouldn't think rolled up flat tires would mount and seal to the rim. Wrong. Kit comes with the rubber seal that covers the spoke adjusting screws, tubes, tires, and an installing type tool that I didn't use. I found it was easier to mount the tire after installing the seal and tube to use a tie wrap to hold the tire on across from where the air stem goes through the rim. Just pull the stem through the rim tight, put another tie wrap around the stem to hold it, and put a little air in the tube, not much. Work your way around the rim, pressing the other half of the tire on. Easier to work the tire on with the tie wrap assist, works like a third hand. Cut the tie wrap holding the tire and fill with air, then cut the stem holding tie wrap. They look and perform like the original tires on my wife's beach cruiser.